Hi, this is Joshua from Consolidated Networks, and I was giving you guys a quick tutorial on how to use your immersive Solstice streaming pods in your Scotts Valley Center conference rooms. So these devices are going to be utilized so that you can share whatever on your desktop to the TVs with up to 4 different people. This will allow you guys to collaborate and work as a team, as well as sharing different content whenever you guys need. So upon entering the conference room for the first time, you guys are going to notice a small white touchscreen panel on the wall to the right or left of the television. This will be utilized so that you can control the TV without a remote. It's also mirrored on the iPad as a Teacher Edition front row app. So if you go ahead and open that on the iPad, you'll notice that you'll have a couple of different buttons. Your top left one is going to be your power button. So after we press that, it'll turn on the TV. Then we're going to go ahead and select the wireless so that we can bring up the input for the Solstice streaming device. From there, you'll notice a welcome screen for the Solstice streaming device that's going to have an IP address on it. We're going to go ahead and open up Google or whatever your preferred browser is and enter that IP address in the URL bar. So this current room is 128.114.208.128. So that'll bring you to this introduction screen where you can download the Solstice client if you don't have it. Go ahead and click the large connect button and it'll initiate the download. And then click the executable file once to open it. So now after the installation, it's going to bring you to this screen where it'll ask you for a screen key. Now this key is displayed on the TV just to the right of the IP address, and the reason for it is so that you don't inadvertently connect to the wrong Solstice display. So currently it is 2RJX. It will always be 4 different characters, numbers, or letters, and you don't need to worry about the case. They can be capital or lowercase. It'll always input them in capital. So after you hit connect, you're going to go ahead and decide to share something. You can either share your desktop, which will be a perfect mirroring of your computer. Anything that's on there will be shared, so just ensure that you don't have your email or anything private open when you start the sharing. The other thing you can do is share purely an app window. So if you wanted to share strictly Google or strictly a terminal session that you're working on, you can go ahead and select the app window and share purely that app. Or else you can share purely a media file. So if you wanted to do a PowerPoint but also need to have some other work open on your computer at the same time as you're displaying, that will allow you to select an individual media file. So we're just going to go ahead and share the desktop. It'll start just like that, and I am on. So that's as difficult as it is. You can go ahead and select whether or not you would like to have audio to play through the TV speakers or not. If you have anything with audio, it will automatically default to be on.